Taking a look at quite a bit of activity today for the second and final spacewalk of Discovery's mission. You see the LWAPA removal from Columbus. That is the lightweight adapter plate assembly. It's basically some what looks like scaffolding that's on the end of Columbus where some experiments were stored. The crew's going to be going out there, retrieving that, putting that back into Discovery's payload bay, and that's going to come home at the end of this mission. That's going to be the second major task that Steve Bowen's going to do. The first thing he's going to spend about an hour doing is setting up the space station robotic arm. He's going to be riding on the end of that to actually go out there to Columbus, but he's got to get it ready first for him to use. The first thing that
Go ahead, Eric.
Al Drew is going to be taking care of is going to be the ammonia tank venting. He set up a vent line during the very first spacewalk day before yesterday as part of that failed ammonia pump assembly that was moved over toward the Quest airlock. So he's going to be venting that for about 2 minutes out into space using that line.
VSR, I'm transferring and deploying there.
They're also going to be removing some insulation from ELC-4, that is the express logistics carrier that Discovery brought up.
After that?
And he's going to be installing a light on a crew equipment cart called CETA out there on the P3 truss. That's the left or port side of the station. The crew will also install a camera, light, pan, and tilt assembly on the Dexter robot. They will also be doing some troubleshooting on the P1 radiator on some grapple bars that are there. And also removing some insulation from the Tranquility node, and also installing a camera cover on Dexter. So quite the menu of activities today as Steve Bowen and Al Drew get ready to wrap up the spacewalks for 133.